Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about subtracting and adding decimals. And I think this is a very important thing to know once you get older and you start to add and subtract money. Like when you go to the grocery store, you're trying to figure out how much you have and how much you can afford. And so, yeah, let's begin. So, one important thing to know about both adding and subtracting decimals is to first line up your decimals once you do the start the method. And so, as you can see, I lined both of them up in both these problems. And so, yeah, once you do that, I'm going to start at the subtraction. We have 6.54 minus 4.439. And so, as you can see, 4.439 has one more placeholder than 6.54. So, to make it easier visually, you can put a zero in the thousands place to make it easier. And so, an important thing to know is this zero is going to represent a double digit number whenever it's subtracting, because 0 minus 9 is not going to be like possible because it's going to be -9. We can't have that. So 0 minus 9, we're going to have to cross this out, make it a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. But then over here, we have to cross this 4 out and make it a 3. Because once we cross that out, you gotta cross the next placeholder out, make it and decrease it for a little bit. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Then we go over here, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring the decimals down, and then 6 minus 4 is 2. So like I said, important thing is to, man, that was an ugly 2. So the important thing is to, this process is called regrouping. That's whenever you cross the number out, make it double digit, because you can't do 0 minus 9. And so in order for that to happen, you have to change the placeholder to the left of it as well, make it a 3, so that's possible, because like 40 minus 39 is 1 right there if you just take everything out. And so that's how you, man, that's an ugly 2. That's how you subtract decimals. So moving on to addition, like subtraction, you line up the decimals as well. And then you can add the 0 into the thousands place, just so it's visually easier. And so we just add top to bottom again. 5 plus 0 is 5. Man, my handwriting is so bad. I'm doing this on computer. 2 plus 9 is 11, but 2 plus 9 is 11, but 11 is a double digit number. We can't have that, can we? Well, in order to do that, 11 is one more than 10, so we have to so we put 1 right there, since it's 1 more than 10, and carry the 10 over here. So first digit of 10 is 1, add it to the tens place. And so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. And by the way, that process is regrouping as well. Man, it's not going to be 5. Carrying the 10 over to the next place. Bring the decimals down, and then 4 plus 6 is 10. Oh my gosh, my handwriting's so bad. But yeah, like I said, 2 things to remember whenever subtracting and adding decimals is to line up your decimals, remember the place value, and regroup and carry numbers over. So thank you.